right, let's get practical. You know the what, you know the when. Now let's talk about the how. How do you actually sign up for Medicare? Here's today's coaching point. First, check if you're auto-enrolled. If you're already collecting Social Security benefits at least 4 months before you turn 65, congratulations, you're automatically enrolled in Parts A and B. Your Medicare card shows up in the mail about 3 months before your 65th birthday. You don't have to do anything. If you're not collecting Social Security, you need to sign up yourself. And that you do through the Social Security Administration, not through Medicare directly. You've got 3 options. Online, go to ssa.gov/Medicare/sign up. Log in with your Social Security account. It takes about 10 to 30 minutes. 2, phone, call 1-800-772-1213, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. 3, in person, visit your local Social Security office. You can find locations at ssa.gov/locator. Have your Social Security number ready, your birthplace information, and the dates of any current group health plan coverage. Now, once you're enrolled in A and B, you've got 2 more moves to make. Move 1, decide between Original Medicare and Medicare Advantage. We'll break that down in detail in another video. Move 2, make sure you have prescription drug coverage either through a standalone Part D plan or Medicare Advantage plan that includes it. That's it. 3 decisions: A and B enrollment, your plan path, and your drug coverage. It's not as complicated as they make it sound. You just need somebody to walk you through it. I'm Coach P. I'll walk you through it. I do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Meet me right here for more Medicare education.